Hi, welcome to my pre-market video for today, July 17, 2025. As always, stocks on my watch list either made key price or volume moves the prior day or had corporate actions. To have more color on yesterday's trading session, check the last video on my YouTube channel as well as on my LinkedIn, depending on where you're watching this from. It's not trading or investment advice. Do your own research. First on my watch list for the day, First Holds Gold. That's what you might colloquially know as First Bank. Traded over 10 billion shares off market transaction, and that's an indicator of a key investor upping stake and others exiting. I'm sure you've heard different names banding on social media. I like to stick to the facts, pending when official confirmation comes up. It's possible traders may use the price as a base and bid the stock higher. GTCO made history, crossed the 100 naira mark, becoming the first financial services stock to do so on the NGX. Depending on marketplace forces as well as price movement in London, it could retrace or go a bit higher. When I looked at trading yesterday, because I was on online most of watching the trades yesterday, yes, the stock hit 100, put back to the late 90s, then crossed back again to 100. I think we may see a similar price movement today. UBA traded large volumes. In fact, UBA was the most actively traded stock by volume and value yesterday if we were to strip away the off-market transaction in First Holdco. It's possible that this stock could also push higher today and display a similar move as well. Nestle Nigeria closed at a 52-week high and traded fairly large volumes. Nestle is a stock that is usually thinly traded. Yesterday traded, I think, about 500,000 shares, just a bit above that. So could push much higher depending on liquidity. From a technical analysis perspective, you hit a 52-week high, you either pull back or you break out. So the daily market summary will be up 5 p.m. West African time on Nigerian time, 5 p.m. British time, and 12 p.m. Canadian time as well. Where YouTube page, Green Ticker Warrior, it should be up on my LinkedIn as well. Any questions, you can drop a comment. You can also send an email to info@greenticketales.com. And for more content, follow Green Ticket Tales podcast, Spotify, Apple, YouTube Music. I think I will be having an episode once we get some confirmation as per the investor who has upstake in First Holdco and all that. I mean, names banding around, fairly accurate, but as always, one has to be circumspect, at least in writing. So have yourselves a great trading day ahead.